I thought I would go my whole life without saying this, but these are aliens. Besides just a gut feeling in my stomach, there's an overwhelming amount of evidence. It's coming from the Pleiades constellation and from the direction of Sagittarius. Sagittarius rules Jupiter. 3 is ruled by Jupiter as well. It's called 3I Atlas. 3, and then I is the 9th letter of the alphabet. Then Atlas is the 27th star in the Pleiadian constellation. So it's being cubed, 3, 9, 27. If you've looked into aliens, you know about the WOW signal, which was the 72-second crazy signal that came from Sagittarius in like 1970 radio signal that's just like a screaming, like a screeching. 72 years is exactly 1 degree of the precession of the equinox. It's also a quintile in astrology, or 1/5 of the zodiac circle, 360 degrees, which, as you know, a pentagram is the golden ratio, which is the symbol of Earth. But aside from all this crazy business, the physics of it does not make any sense. There's a massive CO2 cloud around this thing, and as we know on Earth, CO2 is used as a propellant or a propulsion system. So not only is it spewing out CO2, it's not producing any water vapor, which means it's not frozen as it should be in space, and it's not leaving an emissions trail. It's literally only has this cloud which is sort of moving with it, which doesn't make sense. And it's ripping through at literally 143,000 miles per hour. If it was going that fast, it would have to be burning water. The dust polarization is also off. Basically, there's like refractive indexes all over it that don't make sense, that literally don't coincide with any of the elements we know, and it just doesn't make sense. Then it comes closest to the sun on October 29th to 30th, right before Halloween. Holy comes from Halloween. It's one of the most holy days that there is, though we've been taught to dress up. And coincidentally, it's set to go into exact perihelion behind the sun, which means that it's going to go to the one place in the ecliptic that we cannot see it at all. This would also be the most efficient way to get out of the solar system and out of the orbit. You go as close gravitationally as possible and thrust your engines to maximum when you're closest to the sun to, slingshot, essentially. That's what we do with the moon. It's a bit too much to be a coincidence for your boy.